Namaskar friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into a product that changing the way we care of our teeth. Forever Aloe Vera Tooth Gel. If you are tired to harass chemical toothpaste and looking for a natural, effective alternative, then stay tuned till the end. What is Forever Aloe Vera Tooth Gel? Forever Aloe Vera Tooth Gel is a fluoride-free toothpaste. Aloe Vera Tooth Gel is a fluoride-free toothpaste and made with stabilized aloe vera gel, B. Propolis, and natural ingredients. It helps clean our teeth gently while promoting gum health and fresh breath. Without artificial whiteners. Top 5 reasons why I use aloe bright. Gently yet powerful cleaning. Aloe vera helps clean the teeth without damaging enamel. It, it is perfect for sensitive teeth and gums. Natural whitening. Through fluoride free, it helps improves strains naturally and gently polishes your teeth for a whiter smile. Gum protection. Aloe vera and propils have a soothing properties that help fight gum inflammation and bleeding gums. No harsh chemicals. It contains no fluoride, no bleaching agents, no parabens, just natural ingredients for safe daily use. Great taste, fresh breath with a mint fresh flavor. It leaves your teeth clean and your breath fresh all day. How to use it just like a regular toothpaste. Squeeze small amount on your brush and brush twice a day, morning and night. It foams well and it is safe for the whole family, even kids above 6 years old. Forever Aloe Vera Tooth Gel is not just another toothpaste. It is completely natural oral care solution, safe, effective and gently. It is loved by thousands across the globe. Have you tried it yet? Drop your experience in the comment below. If you found this video helpful, do not forget like, subscribe and share with someone who needs a natural toothpaste today. To buy or learn more, contact in my number. Thank you.